day, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Betty for those of you who don't know me, and if you don't know me, it means you haven't subscribed yet and you just discovered my channel. Listen, in today's video we are doing an apartment haul. No, it's not a haul. I'm used to haul. It's an apartment tour, right? Is it a tour? Yeah, an apartment tour. So welcome to my mini apartment. It's a little bit not looking good right now, but the aim is to show you how can you transform your apartment at a cheaper price. If you love that kind of a content, subscribe, like, comment, and if you see something now in this tour that you think I can change and make it something that might make my apartment look better, please comment down below. So let's get right into it. Okay, first and first, the kitchen, where all the magic happens. This is where my fridge is at, and then because South Africa, load shedding and all and stuff like that, I have this stove, the gas stove, the electricity baby girl. It's the pits, I don't know. And then this is the rest of my kitchen. I don't have a lot of cupboard spaces, or like, yeah, I don't have a lot of space. We're gonna see how we're gonna utilize that. And yeah, the sink, the machine, and this is the kitchen. Let's get to the sitting room. Okay, welcome to my TV room. This is where my TV stays, my stand, and the rest of the thing is yeah, you guys, we don't have water, hence you see this bucket here, and that's a new thing that I'm gonna unbox. Subscribe down below, follow me. You know it's about to get down. I'm about to do a home content. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this through, but I know myself, if I put my heart and my mind into something, I'm going to definitely pull it through. But there's something that I want you guys to see, and it's the first thing I want to change. My couch. Ooh. This is how my couch is looking. It's a sleeper couch. That's my breakfast, Maheu. It's a sleeper couch. It's the pits, baby girl. Like it's not even, yo, it's torn. It's not comfortable anymore. But yeah, we live. I love my coffee table so much, but each and every person that visits my house doesn't like it. And I would like to also kind of like buy nice curtains or make nice curtains for myself. I'm not sure what am I gonna do, but I wanted something professional because this is where everyone when they come to my place, this is the first thing they see. Actually, that's what I want to say. This is the first thing they see. And yeah, you guys, let's go to the bedroom. Ta-da! This is my bedroom. It's looking crazy, I know, right? I know. Even the curtains in here, they need some work. If you want to see me change all of that, please follow me and we shall have fun, man. We will have fun. Home content is fun. And this here is my son's room. So here it's a bit messy because this is where I stored everything. He is not home. Look at that. No. Let's get out of this room. But I think you get the idea. If you want to see me transform this place as well, please follow me. This is the bathroom. This is how it's looking currently. And yeah, this is the bathroom. I'm a bit embarrassed, like as if I didn't plan this video because it's a bit messy, but the aim of this video is to show you how it's looking currently, and yeah, how it's looking currently and how am I gonna transform the whole space. If you love home content, if you love thrifted stuff, if you love transforming a space on a budget, this is the channel for you now. Please follow me. I would like you guys to also give me some suggestions on what to do and stuff like that. I'm not a professional homemaker, but I'm about to be with the help of you guys. So yeah, I'm going to be thrifting a lot because a girl doesn't have money. I'm gonna be doing thrifting secondhand, right? It's the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. I'm gonna be looking for deals everywhere. If you want to see that, please follow me. I'm not a maximalist to a point where this series is gonna last for long, but I hope it lasts long. If you guys love it, thank you so much for watching until this far. If you watched until this far, please put an emoji of a house down below, and then I would know that you watched until this far. Ciao, ciao. I love you so much, you guys. I can't wait to style or decorate this house with you guys. Bye.